personally, the educational sessions have been spectacular. There's a lot of really great leadership things that we've learned, good things for sales, good things for technology, good things for manufacturing, good things for automation and integration.
One thing we get is knowledge. Lots of times this is an owner event or sales and marketing, but it's really, D-Scoop is about all segments of the organizational chart of a company, and that includes the operators.
Also, some of the technical tracks have been great. We're given tools, as a company, but you're not really sure how to use all the tools that you're given. So the tracks this year have been very instrumental in teaching me and the people that I brought here how to use those tools.